Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing about the topic crystal lattice and unit cell. We have discussed in our previous session about the solid states and their types with their properties. If you have not watched that video, please make sure to watch that video. You can find the video link in the description below. And now let's discuss about the crystal lattice and unit cell. First, let's know what is a crystal lattice. Crystal lattice is solid is a regular and repeating pattern of constituent particles in which each constituent particle is depicted as a point, in which each particle is depicted as a point. Here, what is crystal lattice means? You know, solids are made up of the constituent particles. Almost all particles are made up of their constituent particles itself. Constituent particles will include like ions, atoms and molecules, etc. These constituent particles are arranged in such manner that they are in regular and repetitive pattern. They are regular and in repeating pattern in the solids, in which each particle is depicted as a point, and this regular arrangement which is found is 3D arrangement. You can take an example of NaCl, sodium chloride. You have seen the 3D figure of a NaCl. See, if this is a Na ion, it will be attached to the Cl minus ion. Cl minus ion will be arranged to Na plus. Na plus will be arranged to Cl minus. This pattern continues in the same manner. This will be for Na. You can see here the regular and repeating pattern, right? And each constituent particles, here ion is a constituent particle. It is arranged in a repeating manner. After Na, Cl after Na again. So this is called as a crystal lattice. So now talking about the unit cell. What is unit cell means? It is the smallest repeating pattern. It is the smallest repeating pattern in the crystal lattice. In the crystal lattice. So you can see the diagram. This is a crystal lattice, and the single unit cell means you can find this, right? This cube is a single unit cell. Let's write the unit cell separately. This is one unit cell. This one unit cell keep on repeating to generate a complete crystal lattice. You can tell it as unit cell will generate a entire crystals. In these unit cells, you have some characteristic features of the unit cells. The characteristics of unit cell. What is the characteristics of unit cell means? This is a unit cell means here dimension along three edges are ABC. Before that, you can see as it is a 3D figure, it will be in three axes, that is x axis, y axis and z axis. Here the edges, three edges A, B, C. A, this edge is B and this is C. That is one of the characteristic. The dimension along three edges are present. That is A, B and C. and you can find the angle between these edges formed. You can find the angle between these edges. See here one angle it forms, that is alpha. Angle formed here is beta and here is gamma. So angle between these edges, are alpha, beta and gamma. So the unit cell is characterized by 6 parameters. Unit cell is characterized by 6 parameters. What are these 6 parameters means? Which we have learned before itself. Means dimension along 3 edges ABC is 3 parameter, and the angle between these edges alpha, beta, gamma are the another 3 parameters. So the 6 parameters will be A, B, C edges and alpha, beta, gamma, the angles between them. So this was about the crystal lattice and unit cell. So in the next video, let's discuss about the unit cell and their types. So if you have liked the video, please don't forget to click on like button. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.